What is the best crypto wallet in the space right now? I'm going to tell you it is the one and only Bitget. And I'm going to go over exactly why I believe that today. So stay tuned to the end of the videos. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, do this for education purposes only. Bitget, it's time to see what you got. All right, guys, here we go. All right, bitget.com. Faster trading, better assets. This is an incredible wallet because it's the #1 used. Okay, over 100 mainnets, over 500,000 cryptocurrencies, that's over 500,000, $12 billion in trading volume, 60 million users, and 168 plus countries and regions. Okay, the Bitget swap gets a lot of attention. Okay, it has the DEX liquidity algorithm. Okay, accurate market information, flexible trading, and so on. But I want to discuss just mainly about the wallet today. I'm just giving you a quick overview of what's in the ecosystem. You have the NFTs, you have over 20,000 dApps, you have the staking assets to earn. Okay, so you can actually earn money through this. It's high on security, guys. All right, the wallet protection fund is literally protecting you over $300 million. Okay, it's got comprehensive security and absolute trust. So what I want to do is show you the wallet so you can actually have a look at how it works. So there you go, guys. I've just downloaded it. Okay, the first thing you're gonna do is create or import a wallet. Okay, I'm gonna create one right now for you here, and you set a pin. Okay, once you've done that, it's gonna say successfully created, guys, and then you're inside. Remember, I am doing this on an iMac. Okay, this is on your phone, anything like that. It's more compatible on an iPad, but this is the wallet and you can see it right here. So we have your reward section up at the top where you can go in to see exactly what rewards are given out right now. So Xion, okay, is total rewards of 6,000 there. There's 3 minutes left and 43,000 people involved. Okay, you've got your futures section, so you can go in here. Okay, so you can actually start getting involved in seeing what futures it is you're wanting to trade. Again, guys, this is optimized for iPad and so on. You can see I'm doing this actually on my iMac. All right, guys, so the market. So here you get to see all the different categories of what it is you're trying to look for. So let's have a look at Croy. It'll take you straight through, okay, to their chart. So you can have a comprehensive look in what's going on, whether you want to swap this or go through MemeX. Okay, guys, very cool. The trading section, you already know how it looks, guys, but what I'm very excited about is the Discover section, because in Discover, all right, you can start to see all the different dApps, whatever is on. You could choose, let's go and have a look at OPBB, okay, and you can see what dApps are on here, Chainport, so on, okay. Goes to the trending as well. If you want to go trending, you can find out what is going on in here. Zora right now and OpenSea are trending, okay. And then of course the most important part that everybody's after is your wallet. So you can send, receive, earn, get gas and transactions just on here, guys. You can change your mainnet. So if we want to go to Bitcoin, for example, you can right here, managing your tokens, adding assets all the time. It'll add Audi, okay. It's simple, one click and it adds it in for you. Once you go back, you'll see it's there. And that's how easy and quick it is to use this wallet, guys. It is a fantastic wallet. Now, guys, they do have MemeX as well. If we click MemeX on here, you're gonna see that you could just type in the custom amount that you want. All right, this is an easy way to buy through this. Okay, doesn't matter if you want to swap it or use MemeX to buy. You can use your Sol for this one in particular. Choose how much and then simply buy it. In the DEX section, you can see here, guys, it's very easy to do this. So go to sell a token, choose what you want to do. You can see here me going through the different chains, Solana, whatever it is. All right, you can see here shitcoin Solana to Solana. It's very easy to do. Choose your slippage, confirm, and then you can literally go ahead and continue with this swap, guys. It's that easy. All right, you can get the best quotes, choose the best that you believe that you want to choose, and just swap that token. In the mainnets, you can see here, guys, all right, all the mainnets are there. Solana, BNB, Base, all the way down to the biggest ones. Okay, there's going to be nothing that you are looking for that you're not going to get. You can go around to the EVMs, the BTC ecosystems, and everything else that you want to use. It's got a multi-function launchpad. All right, you can see here there is so many services, tasks to get, launch pads, everything inside of this one app, which is absolutely insane. You don't have to go anywhere else but here. So if you're looking for the services, guys, go through them all and have a look yourself. Even going through the futures, through everything, okay? You can see new top gainers. If you're trying to look for what's trending, it's there. Literally every single thing is in this multi-functioning app. My favorite, the staking side, okay? You can go down the services, find the staking, and start looking for ways to earn your crypto staking these tokens inside the ecosystem. So you can see here, guys, on the app, all right, the dApp section is really clean. You literally get everything on here. Even with the play meme coins, you can go through them all. All right, there is an unbelievable amount of value to give you. The potential airdrop, something that I love because I actually make so much money through this as well. The AI agent, you can see all of the discoveries right there too. So there you go, guys. Let me know what you thought about that. Again, if you use it on your phone or your iPad, it's going to be more compatible, but you can do everything on your iMac, and it's easy for me. It's the best wallet out there. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Hit the links down below to get involved with this, and I'll see you next time.